This is a Federal puck lock core that I got off eBay. It's just a replacement. I just put it in a puck lock I had laying around. This lock can be raked. It's not the right one. This lock can be raked, but because of the bitting, you can't just straightforward rake it. Number 3 is a zero lip, so you have to work around it. There it is. Okay, so, and to get into it, I'm going to use the multi-pick. That was the multi-pick Twin Peak rake in 15,000. This is the standard hook in 23 or 0.6 millimeters, and this is the 1.3 millimeter top of the keyway tension tool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One wasn't set high enough. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 opens it up. But yeah, that's the Federal puck core.